darling, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm coming to you from the Barcelo Bavaro Grand Resort here in Dominican Republic. It's in Punta Cana. It's my first time here in Punta Cana and I'm just so excited. I'm here for 4 nights, 5 days, so there's a lot to accomplish while I'm here. I mean, I'm here on business, but while I'm at the resort, I'm gonna try to make the best of it and take you guys on the journey so that you can see what's being offered here. I'm gonna take you to the rooms, you get a bit of the room tour, show you around the facility so you get the facility tour, and then based on what you see, you can make a decision if this is a best fit for you if you're ever in this side of the region. As usual, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I just want to welcome all the new followers, welcome all the returning followers, and let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let the people love something real quick. 1, 2, 3. I love that woman. She cannot shallow. She independent. Mercy.
Right now, I'm just walking around the facility just to get a glimpse of what is here. Right now, I'm by the beach. The beach in the background. Oh my God. I have an event actually in another 2 hours, so I have 2 hours just to walk around and to see what's here. It's my first official day since I've been here. I came last night. It was night, so I didn't get to see much, but now it's the daytime and now I'm looking around. Like, everybody here speaks predominantly Spanish, so it's been a little bit of a challenge trying to speak to people, but you know, they do know some English, so, and I do know some secondary Spanish. Not much, I know the basics, so it's been alright. Let me take it back, it's not been a challenge, it's been alright. You know, I've been hola habla here and there. So this is what the beach area looks like. I mean, people are just out and just having a good time. A lot of families here. There are 2 sides. There's the family side and then there is the adult only side. Right now I'm on the family side, and I mean, so far I think it's a good spot. It's a good vacation spot for your family. The facility is big. And when I say big, I mean big, like massive. It's like huge. I thought that the hotels in Jamaica were big, but let's redefine what big is for me. This is like big, From the room to the conference area where I'm mostly at in the daytime, it's like a good half-an-hour walk. So we have to take a tram to get there, you know. But yeah man, it's big, it's huge. There's just so much happening. There's so much to offer so far. I saw a game arcade last night. I saw a casino. There I saw different restaurants, from the Japanese to the Spanish. There's a Mexican. There is a buffet. Yes, but I saw all of that last night. But definitely want to go back to the game arcade because that looked fun. I see air hockey and bowling and all of that. So I'm definitely gonna go to that. Right now the beach, people here with them family, you know, and just enjoy the little time. I think that's important, to take some family time, some me time, and yeah, let's continue walking. Hello. Hi. How does it work here?
Sorry, I know English.
No English?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. No English. Sorry, no English. I was trying to check out because I said they have life jackets over here, and I don't know, it looks like sailing or some parasailing, so I was interested to see what that is. But oh, sorry, no English. My Spanish isn't good enough to communicate all of what I want to say, so let me leave that alone. I'm seeing some boats in over there too. I wonder if I can find somebody that speaks English. But yo, I want to do one of these. I wonder if they have jet skis. That's cool. Look at the pool behind me now. So there's that pool there. with like a waterfall in it. Can you see? And then as I turn, I rotate the camera this way, there's like more views. So I'm like in an island, like a passageway that separates the two sides. There's a gym area right now, so I'm walking by the gym because I'm gonna go and spy on someone, and I'm gonna take you guys with me to spy. There's like this area for like a theater. It is huge. Look at that. It can hold a whole lot of persons. Gran Teatro Bavaro. We go to spy. Now let's look for who is spying for. Look, see him there? Can you see him? On the phone. He should be working out, you know. He should be working out and he's on the phone. And then he's gonna come and say, oh, I had a good workout. I was here working out for an hour and a half, 2 hours. And look there, most of the time being spent on the phone. Let's see. Let me hear what he's going to say to us now. That's you working out, huh? This is how you work out, right? By being on the phone. You're working out your fingers, huh?
Someone likes one of my photos.
Oh, so you're looking at a like instead of working out. What? What? What?
She don't recognize you.
Oh, I just like, where? Who is he showing me? He must show me how long and I wonder who this person. I've never seen you outside a suit, outside of work clothes.
Yeah.
Good workout, good workout.
Trying my best.
Oh, okay. What you pretend? You start pretend again, huh?
I'm not pretending. No.
Were you always working out?
I was walking. I ran for 20 minutes.
Watch out. You must spend half an hour, fix the thing, and then tell me some in your workout. You must scandal you. Yes. Yes. Get that good body. In the gym now. I'm on the beach today, trying to have a beach day today in my swim gear. I'm not going in the water though. Right now I'm gonna look for towels because I needed to put on one of these beach chairs. So they sent me all the way over to a cabana that's like so far. Anywhere I have to go here, it's like super far. So I walk in and of course taking it guys because you know y'all my peeps or whatever.